What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do your boy a favor, you know? If you or anybody you know runs into the issue where they think that their faucet might be going bad because they're getting little streams of water out there and not getting a nice full force, it's probably sediment buildup in front of the screen impeding it from coming through the spout. And I'm gonna show you how to take care of that today. All right, customer states that they're getting bad water. Looks pretty bad, I'd say. Pretty nasty. Shooting everywhere. That's a no bueno. So we're gonna take these vice grips because that's all I had in my pocket at the time. We're gonna give it a little twisty twist. Pull that off of there. Real dramatic like. So everybody has to watch it longer than they need to. Oh, grab the screen. Look at that. Calcium, rust, all kinds of nice crap blocking that screen. We're going ahead and dump that out of there. Believe it or not, this is a GoPro 9, and the camera should be better than this, but it looks like shit, right? Anyways, yeah, that's why your screen's important. Otherwise, you'd be drinking that. Do this right here, just trying to flush any extra out. And we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. A little washy wash. Know what I mean? Looking pretty clean. Say good enough to go back on anyway. Do. It's nice and clean too. We're gonna go ahead and stick her in there like she like, you know what I mean? I only got one hand at the time. Wasn't wearing no harness or nothing to hold the camera for me. Do that, give her a little twist. And look at that. Like new. Don't waste your money no more. Tip of the day. Yeah.